Conservatives are praising the decision, which restricts the role race can play in getting into universities and colleges. But President Biden is slamming it and calling on admissions officers around the country to find other ways to prioritize diversity on their campuses. CBN's Jenna Browder has more from Washington.
After more than 40 years, it's the end of an era in American law and life. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court has rolled back affirmative action in higher education.
These opinions reestablish the founding principles of the 1964 Civil Rights Act, which clearly forbids treating Americans differently by race.
The group bringing the case, arguing affirmative action policies at Harvard and the University of North Carolina, used racial preferences to favor some, while discriminating against others, often Asian Americans. Joined by the High Court's 5 other conservatives, Chief Justice John Roberts writing the policies at these 2 schools unavoidably employ race in a negative manner and involve racial stereotyping. Adding, eliminating racial discrimination means eliminating all of it. And warning, the student must be treated based on his or her experiences as an individual, not on the basis of race. In a sharp dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor declaring the devastating impact of this decision cannot be overstated. Ignoring racial inequality will not make it disappear. President Biden also criticizing the decision.
Discrimination still exists in America. Today's decision does not change that. It's a simple fact.
And when asked about the High Court's legitimacy,
this is not a normal court.
Former President Trump disagreeing on Truth Social, calling the ruling a great day for America. And today marks the last day of the High Court's term, with more big decisions expected on President Biden's student loan forgiveness program and a case involving a Christian graphic artist from Colorado who wants to design wedding websites but objects to making them for same-sex couples. In Washington, Jenna Browder, CBN News.